Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to install Pygame. For this you need to have Python pre-installed. If you do not have Python pre-installed, check out the link below to see how to install Python on your Windows, Linux or Mac. So what is Pygame? Pygame is a Python module using which you can build simple Python games. So let's get right to it. This is the Pygame web page, and this is the command which you need to run to install Pygame. So let's get it done. So you need pip install Pygame, and this collects Pygame and installs it. Once this has been installed and you can see the successfully installed Pygame message, you need to verify whether Pygame has been installed properly. For this, just open a Python terminal, and in this just run the command import Pygame, and if you get this output, that means Pygame has been imported successfully and you are ready to develop your own games. Do check out my channel for tutorials on how to develop games using Pygame, and please do subscribe to my channel if this helped you. Thank you.